am studying 5th class in Ravindra UP School in Pudimadaka. Explain about easy subtraction with zeros having numbers. 1000. This is 9000 number. Before number is 8999. This number is 2834. Before number is 2833. Have no subtraction. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So answer is 6166. My name is Amulya. I am studying in 5th class in Ravindra UP School. Pudimadaka. Fractions with zero having numbers. This is 1000. This is 8000. Before number 7999. 1835. Before number is 1834. Now subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 8, 1. 7 minus 1, 6. This is the answer. My name is Tarun Teja. My study is 5th class. Ravindra UP School, Pudimadaka. Today I am exercise easy subtractions with zeros having number 60,000. Number 15. 932. And 931. Please subscribe. 9 is equal to 1. Minus 1, 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9. 5 minus 2, 3. 30,000. This is the answer. Friends, my name is Venkateshlu. I am studying in 5th class in Ravindra UP School in Pudimadaka. Explain easy subtraction with zeros having number. Number is 20,000. Is 1,999. 1,999. 321. Before number is 17,000. Line manager.